Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our class. Hello, Emma. Okay, Emma, is it your cat behind you?
Yeah,
Oh, she is so pretty. He or she?
she.
Okay,
Oh
she.
my gosh, she's.
Okay, this is girl cat. I used to have cats, and their name is one of them is Mike, and the other one is
Yeah,
Minnie.
but then, there was too many cats at their place, so Peng Peng threw them in the fireplace.
No, she made it up. No, no, no. We had the cat before we had Peng Peng. Okay, and Mike is the cutest cat in this entire world because you know what? He actually being rescued from the dump. So he used to have a very bad time.
Right?
Yeah. So he used to have a very bad life. But after he moved to our house, he is very hard to go to sleep because he is always scared somebody is going to threaten him, right? Because when he was before living in the forest can or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
No, the garbage can. And
Yeah.
now later after 2 3 months, and he knows that he's being taken very good care of, and he's always sleeping, like on anywhere he can't even go to sleep when he's standing. Okay, yeah, let's just talk too much about it. Okay, let's go back to the math. Okay,
Yeah.
so yesterday we have learned the arithmetic sequence, and today we're going to continue learning something like that. Okay, so this is this week's last class. Okay, so as usual, we have a calculation speed.
It's speed test.
Okay, so Emma, I'm going to hit the post, and boys and girls, this is your turn. I want to see how quick you can do these ones. Okay, let's go. So boys and girls and Emma, I don't know if you noticed that. This is our fourth class. And the speed of your calculation with the big, huge number, it is already faster. A lot, right? You get it faster a lot. And the
Mhm.
thing is, you gain more confident when you are looking at the bigger number. Are you scared anymore? No. This is the most important thing is understand the numbers because Emma, I know you are smart and like all the kids, you're smart, but the thing is, you are at the same time scared of the big numbers. Okay, because when I'm teaching my student, it is very weird when I asking all the student, I said, hey, can you calculate 22 plus 28? Everybody can do it, 50. Okay, but when you look at 99222 plus 888 4, something like that, you get scared. Okay, you said, okay, I don't want to try it because it's so hard. But now, and Emma, I don't know if you remember the first time I gave you these questions, you say, it's so hard. But now you're excited. You say, yes, I can do it. Correct? So this is something I want to introduce you is because I want you to keep trying and trust yourself.
Mhm.
Emma, let's take a look at these two questions. Okay? I want you to try to do it yourself without me telling you. And try to figure out because the first step we learn is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way to 99, right?
I think it's
And the
actually the same
second
thing
step
that
is
had the
2 plus
differences.
4 plus 6 plus all the way to 98. And
I
this
think
is the number 3. Yes, I need to know what is the differences and how to do it. I trust you, and how about you do it yourself? Okay, I'm going to hit the
actually
pause. I'm going to hit the
the
pause and you
thing
do it yourself.
that
Okay? Okay, Emma said she has finished. And this is a totally different questions than before. So let's
Mhm.
see if Emma did it right or not. Because she told me 我做完了 with very confident voice tone. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So when we are calculating these questions, we first need to find out if they are
the di-
arithmetic sequence, right? So then I take a look. Yeah, 老师是不是写错了?
uh,
Okay, yeah,
yeah.
there's a mistake. It should be 0, okay? No. It should be 1. It should be, oh, sorry, I make a huge mistake here.
Huh?
Emma, if you take a look at this one, this is 3, this is difference is 3, this is 3, and this turned out to be 4, and 4, and 4, and 4, and 4.
I was saying.
Yeah, so I made a mistake. So how do I do it? Let me change it. Okay, so see, teacher make mistakes as well. Okay, especially for me. Like I am so stupid. I'm so sorry. Okay, So let's take a look at this one. So how do we do it? So 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus
I think
16
they'll do
plus 19 plus 22 plus
plus
25 plus
25.
28. Okay, I'm
28.
sorry. Okay, so boys and girls, if you are calculating yourself, you probably already find my mistakes already. So this is very common for all the students when you're doing this. When we are calculating arithmetic sequence, in order to use my method, you need to find out their differences must be the same.
Mhm.
Okay, so this time they're all 3, right? So if there are 3, so first one, the first step is what?
So
First
the first step
find,
would be
find
find the difference.
the
And for the
3 and
difference is 3. So we have to do 28 minus the first number, which is 1,
mhm,
divided by 3,
and
plus 1.
very
Plus
good. So first step is always finding how many numbers are there, right?
1.
So Emma, very good. So 27
When
divided by
I was
3.
doing this,
You said, okay, how come it cannot be divided, right? Very good, because I made
yeah.
a mistake. I hide a mistake here, and I want to see if anybody can find it or not. Okay, so in order to find there are 10 numbers, because we don't have a lot of numbers, we can always verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
9,
No, I didn't make any mistakes. So now I'm going to calculate the sum of them is 1 plus 28
8
times 10.
times 10 divided by 3, 2
So
equals to 29 times 10,
29
which is
times
290.
So 145.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, so the next one is still the same. We see the differences. Oh, this time the silly teacher doesn't make any mistakes this time. So the difference is all the 5. So
Mm-hmm.
160
So
minus 1.
that should be 106 minus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 equals to 105 divided by 5 plus 1 equals to 21. And then we do 106 plus 1.
So it's 21 plus 1, right?
Yeah,
Equal 20.
equals to 22.
So we can just easily 1 plus 106 times
106
22
times
divided
22 divided by 2, which equals to
by 7 times 11.
0.
Oh,
Times.
any number times 11 is my favorite because I
Ooh!
7107. So it's 117.
1177.
The last number. Very good, Emma. Good job. I think you're very cleared and you didn't forget anything last week. Sorry, yesterday. So now I give you 2 huge big numbers. Okay, I'm going to hit the pause.
Ooh.
Boys and girls, you're going to tell me how to do it because then you know what? I trust you can do it. And for this one, I make mistakes again. Okay, so this time I'm going to change it into 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus all the way to 307. Okay,
Yeah.
because the differences is all 4. Okay, so this one I'm not making any mistakes. So I'm going to hit the pause and let boys and girls you start to try to do this yourself. Okay, let's do it. So you know what? This is the first time Emma finished that so quick. And you know what, Emma? Don't you feel good about yourself?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 3 plus 7 plus all the way to 307 is this huge number. I don't want to calculate this one, but Emma, could you please tell me what is the answer for this sum of these huge big numbers?
So first we have to know the difference. And the difference is 4.
Mhm.
So we have to do 307 minus 3 divided by 4 plus 1 equals to 304 divided by 4, which equals to 76.
So the answer is 77. So altogether, there are 77 numbers out there, right?
Mm.
So how do
Yep.
we do the next one?
And then we have to do 307 plus 3 times 77 divided by 4.
Divided by 4 or divided by 2? Divided. Okay,
2.
Emma, the reason why it is always divided by 2 is because every single two numbers, they form a 310. See? 3 plus 307 is 310. 7 plus 303 is 310. So how many 310 are there? It's 77 divided by 2 because all two numbers get a 310. Two numbers get a 310. So that's why it is always divided by 2. But this one is divided by the differences. Get it? So 310 times 77 divided by 2 equals 155 times
Yeah.
77. Okay, I'm not going to calculate this one. We can just do it later by ourselves. So the next one is the same. So 406 minus 1 divided by what? Divided by 5 plus
1.
405 divided by 5 plus 1 equals 81 plus 1.
81 plus 1 equals to 82. That is how many numbers
Plus
it is.
406 times 82. And divided by what, Emma?
Divided by 2.
Very good. Okay, so the answer is 407 times 41. Okay, very good. Boys and girls, I don't know if you're as good as Emma, but now let's move to the even bigger number. Emma, I trust you can do it yourself, totally without any problem at all. So let's just take a look at this one. So 2 plus 8 plus 14, we know this is the arithmetic sequence because their differences is what?
The difference is 6.
Okay, and first we need to find out how many numbers are there. Okay, so Emma, could you give me the equation yourself?
So it is 6 zeros, 8 minus 2 divided by 6
Very good. Divided by 6 and plus 1.
Which equals to 604 divided by 6.
So 606 divided by 6 equals 101 plus 1 equals 102.
1, 2.
Okay, so 2 plus 608 times 102.
102 divided by 2.
Very good. Equals 610 times
610
divided
times divided by 2, which equals to
times
0 times 5, 1.
Okay, Emma, could you please quickly calculate 610 times 51 equals what? So Emma, you have find out what is the answer for that one, right?
31110.
So let's take a look at the next one. Okay, I'm going to hit the pause and let you calculate this one yourself. Okay? From the very beginning. Let me start. And Emma, so you said you finished. So could you tell me how you did this one?
So first I did 100 minus 5 divided by 5 plus 1 equals to 95 divided by 5 equals to 15 plus
You
1.
first find out how many numbers are there, right?
Yeah.
Because they're all skip 5, 5, so the difference is 5, so that's why they're all together.
1 equals
20
to
numbers.
16.
Is it 20 numbers? So are there altogether 20 numbers, are there?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So if you find out altogether there are 20 numbers, so what's the next?
Then we have to do 100 plus 5 times 20 divided by 2 equals to 105 times 20 divided by 2, which equals to 105 times 10.
So the answer is 105.
1050.
Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus all the way to 600.
Ooh, now we're doing this.
Okay, so I'm going to hit the post, and boys and girls, you're going to do it with Emma. Just start to record, okay? So Emma, 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus all the way to 600. First one, we still find out how many numbers are there. So could you tell me how many numbers?
Divided by 6.
600 minus 6 divided by 6 and
plus 1 equals
There.
to 594 divided by 6 equals to 99 equals to 600 plus 6 times 99.
Oh my god. I'm sorry. Sorry, boys and girls. We have a special influencer, and which is Peng Peng's dad. Kick her butt. Oh, sorry, his butt. Okay, so altogether we have 100 numbers. So now, Emma, what's next?
Then we have to do 600 plus 6 times 100 divided by 2.
Very good. Good job. So the answer is
Is
606 times 50. Okay, so 6 times 50. So we're just using 606 times 5. So 0, 3, 3, 0, and add the last 0. So the answer is 30,300. Good job, Emma. So for all of these questions, I think there's no problem at all, right? So for 7 plus all the way to 784, and Emma, this is last question for today, and I want you to finish it within 20 seconds. Let's go. Okay, so Emma, you spent 25 seconds. Not bad. Very close to what I want. Okay, so 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus all the way to 784. So how to calculate how many numbers are there?
It's 784 minus 7 divided by 7 plus 1.
Very good. So it's 7, 7,
7, 7, 7.
plus 1.
Divided by
So 1, 1, 2. Right, altogether they're like 1, 1, 2. So how many numbers are there? 112 numbers.
So 7, 8, 4 times 7 times 8, 7, 8, 4 plus 7 times 1, 1, 2 divided by 2, which equals to, so first we have to do 2, which equals
Times
2.
1, 1, 2, right?
Yeah.
Divided by 2. So the answer is 7,901 divided by 2. Sorry, times 56. Okay, so Emma, you're super quick because 791 times 56 is not very easy to do. Good job, Emma. So today is the last class for this week, okay? And I think you did better than good. You're doing terrific. And I think you pretty much understand what is arithmetic sequence very well. And you learned so many tricks about calculating faster. Okay, so I hope everybody, you're not afraid of bigger numbers anymore, because bigger numbers, not scared at all, right? And Emma, I want to ask you the last couple questions is, what is arithmetic sequence?
It's this sequence, which is like
First
ones.
one, the differences has to be what?
The difference has to be 6.
It has to be same. Sometimes it's 1, sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 3. But in this set of numbers, it's always stay 3, or always stay 4, or always stay 6.
Yeah.
Okay, so
you
the
can't
differences
be like 4, 8, 2, 3, 5.
Yeah,
You can't
so the differences is not the same, so they are not arithmetic sequence, and you're not allowed to use my method to do that. Okay, so that's it for today's class, and I hope you enjoyed it, and remember to do your homework very well enough. Okay, so we're going to see each other next week. Bye bye, Emma.